Greetings, theorists. It's July 13th, 2021, and I got a question for you. Do you like high-priced underlyings with low liquidity? Then Sam Adams might be a ticket for you today. We're looking at Sam Adams, which has a liquidity rank of 2 out of 4. It has wide bid-ask spreads, if that's your thing. Its IV is nice and high at 68, though. That's its IV rank, excuse me. And we're looking at it selling a short put vertical. So we're asking Sam, do you think Sam Adams can stay above $900 on its price for the next 38 days? Because if so, you're looking at a 78% probability of making $170 in the next 38 days. And that's not your max profit. That's your 50% of the max profit. So you can do the math right there. But anyway, let's get going because I'm a little late today. Tardy. Hi, everybody. My name is Neil. This is Option Theory. Thanks so much for joining us. And on screen here, you can see the trade that we're about to do. But let's pull up the charts for Sam Adams. It is not hard to see that Sam Adams has I guess the summertime is not a Sam Adams thing. Maybe it's more of a winter beer, winter lager. I don't know. Personally, I don't drink anymore. I used to do that. Thank you very much. But now you can see, look at this. This is definitely a downward trend. However, it does seem to hit the bottom Bollinger Band and bounce. We see that a few times. Band, bounce, band, bounce. And that's nice. But we're halfway up here on this run back up, and the question is it going to drop below this? And one would say previous resistance becomes new support, and there's previous resistance that it seems to be matching. Yeah, we'd have to go back further than a year to see previous resistance below that. So, could be tough to be bullish on this one, but let's take a look at our probabilities again, because that's where, well, you know, let's go and build the trade. We're looking at selling the 900 put and then buying the 890, so $10 wide. But because of the nice wide bid-ask spreads, we could collect 1/3 the width of the strikes, which is a great tasty trade mechanic, right? Now that we've got that here, a $10 wide contract, a spread here for collecting about 340. Let's take a look at that risk profile here. So we're staring at a 65% probability of profit at expiration here. With a P50 according to Tastyworks, so that you know I'm not making it up. And I got to put my mouse over here. There we are. We're looking at a P50 of 78%. That's good there. A 66% probability of profit according to Tastyworks, but that has us collecting 315 rather than 340. That probably explains the slight difference in pop there. So there you have it. Let's go ahead and set this price slice to chart. I know you can't see it. Sorry. But now you can visualize the line on which we are asking Sam Adams to stay above. If it does that in the next 38 days, we could collect $340. Or if we're happy and take off our 50% max profit when that happens, with the 78% probability of that happening, right? Then we can take that and run and say, thanks, Sam Adams. And maybe if you drink beer, you can have one. You can have a lot of Sam Adams for that much money, right? All right. So, that's it for today's trade. If you made it this far into, oh, no, it's not. No, it's not for today's trade. Almost premature there. Confirm and send. You can't see it on my screen. I have to do this to allow you to see it. Everything we've already said here. Max profit of 340. Max loss of 660. That is probably double the size of risk we normally take on average, right? But you know, hey, that's all right. Let's give it a whirl. I'm going to go ahead and leave this one in my margin account and hit send. It goes into my working orders here. Let's take a quick look at what we've got going on here. SpaceX had a successful trip the other day, and why is my put being tested on that one? Remember, that was my iron account door, where I put, on a different account, I put on the call spread, so we really have an iron condor spread across 2 different accounts. You manage your winners, you left with your losers. Okay, fair enough. Let's take a look at the IRA there to see how the call spread's doing. Okay, so it looks like we can take the call spread off for 50% of the max profit on that one. And yeah, all right. Now you've really made it to the end of the video. So here's your thumbs up. Appreciate you so much for watching these videos to the end. It does help me. If you feel that I've earned a like, there is a like button there if you feel it. If you're going to hit that dislike button, would you leave me a comment and tell me what you'd like to see differently? You know, I get some thumbs downs from time to time, particularly on the popular videos. Just not a popular guy, I guess. But anyway, thank you so much. And until I see you in tomorrow's Cherry Bomb, everybody, may the market be with you.